Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how do you remove a watermark on TikTok. Now let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up TikTok. Now say for example, you want to remove the watermark of this video. What you can do is you can tap on the share button here and you can scroll to the left and tap on copy link. Now, once the link is copied, you can go out and open up a web browser. So from here, you can go to a website called snaptic.app. Now, once you're here, you can paste the link. Just tap on paste and tap on download. Now, after that, you can tap on download server 2. Let's wait for the download to finish. Now, once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and play it. Now, from here, we can see that there is no more TikTok watermark anymore. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.